This is going to be a video about how do you use FocusList. Because some of you have purchased FocusList and it wasn't exactly clear what you're supposed to do with it. So here we go. Let's FocusList. I'm gonna create a new task. Click. Wait, first, before I do that, there's Start Working button, which is grayed out, because you can only start working if you have a task to work on, which kind of makes sense, but it's not super clear. So, my first task will be finish the new iPhone app. Okay. So, there are a few important things. There's the time that I estimated, 30 minutes, and there's, well, the graphical representation of that time. So if I change that to 60, I can change that by simply going with my cursor here and dragging it up. Now it's 1 hour, an hour and a half. Let's say that's how much I want to spend on this, an hour and a half. So it has 3 sessions now. These 3 lines represent the 3 sessions I'm gonna spend, which total to an hour and a half. So I start the session. Now the button is working. I can click here, and that's my first session. It's 25 minutes because that's the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of work with 5 minutes of break. That's 30 minutes. 30 minutes times 3 is hour and a half. So that's my first session. Okay, so now I got the iPhone app. As you can see, I already created the first task saying finish my new iPhone app. And now it's set to 1 hour, but I can change that by simply swiping left like this. Now I removed one session and it's only half an hour, or I can add a few. Now it's hour and a half. I can add and remove just like this. So same thing as on the Mac. When I'm ready, I just tap it and I click Start Working. And here we go. It is started. I'm working on my task. So one last thing, if you're running both Mac and iPhone version and you log in with the same credentials, then it's going to be perfectly in sync like that. Just like that.